What's up, everyone? I'm Onnit founder Aubrey and I'm here with John Wolf, our Chief Fitness Officer and one of the baddest men I know. And we're here to talk to you about the kettlebell. I was recently told a great story about the kettlebell. Someone came up to me and said, look, I had asthma when I was growing up. I was really intimidated about going into a gym, but I listened to you guys talk about the kettlebell, so I bought one and I started training at home. I started training slow, and then I got better, and then I got better, and now I'm in jiu-jitsu. And it was really a life-changing moment for him because he was able to get a complete workout in the privacy of his own home. And that's one of the strengths of the kettlebell. It's an extremely versatile piece of equipment. It's been around for a long time, brought up through originally as a dry weight measure in Russia, all the way through the Russian high-performance training systems, and then it's spread throughout the world. And there's a lot of unique movements that you can do with the kettlebell that train the full body systems from your posterior chain all the way up through your upper body. And then there's some conventional workouts that you can do as well. And John Wolf is going to take you through some of those.
All right, so let's go ahead and start with just some of the most basic movements. If we take the kettlebell from the ground and getting those hips to extend, you have the basic deadlift. So from the basic deadlift, if we keep that vector force, we can do a two-handed clean, vertical clean here. Hey, what's up next with that? Take a squat. All right, so you have a couple movements. We never even moved our feet, and we can get a full body workout, especially if we add an overhead press at the top. Whatever you did with two hands on the kettlebell, you can also do with one. So back to that clean. This time, I'm gonna press overhead, nice strict overhead press, and we can turn that into a thruster, so squat press. These are some of the basic kettlebell library of movements, and Aubrey here has some ideas on a little more conventional use of this unconventional tool.
So those are some of the movements that are unique to a kettlebell, but if you just wanted to use it similarly that you would a dumbbell, you can do basic curls. Or if you want to flip that around, turn it upside down, you can do basic tricep extensions. Or then from there, you can move into a halo movement, which is going to work your shoulder girdle. And as John showed, there's really an infinite amount of things that you can do with the kettlebell, and we have tons of education and training available at the Onnit Academy.